It looks like CrossFit might be out of the lead. Capital One, look at Capital One go.
Look how close they are.
Let's go!
Go CrossFit!
Holy cow,
Look at Capital One go.
Come on, go number 2. I don't want
CrossFit looks like they might have the lead.
Go number 2, come on. Go number 2, Lord help number 2.
Looks like we're going to have a new champion.
Go! Go, team. Go, number 2. Go, number 2. Go! Yes, number 2. Keep there. Who's number 2?
We do! CrossFit Alexandria!
2. Who won? Yeah, Capital One did.
Team Premier might have nipped Capital One for second. We'll check it.
CFA CrossFit Alexandria won.
CrossFit
Back here they were all
Alexandria.
CFA,
Yeah, good.
CrossFit Alexandria.
CrossFit. Now what does that mean?